Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Haja from Kenobi. You're going to want to take the legs from this Abby Yates minifigure. You're going to want to take the torso from this Mace Windu minifigure, as well as those arms. You'll then want to take the head, hands and hair from this Big Bang Theory character, don't know what his name is. And if you want, you can add this cape from this brown Mandalorian. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo. Overall, I think this minifigure turned out great, and I hope you'd like it as well. If you have any minifigure requests that you would like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below.
I am entering your mind. You will like and subscribe to the Clone Brother Reviews channel.
I will subscribe to the Clone Brother Reviews YouTube channel. If you would like to see some more Purist Custom LEGO minifigures, feel free to click on that How to Make a Purist LEGO Blank playlist now.